Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in Unibank. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Unibank account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar you can search for Unibank login. After searching for Unibank login, you have to tap on the first search, and after tapping on that option, now you have to tap on internet banking, which is on the top right corner of your screen. So after tapping on internet banking, it will take you to the login page, and in that page you can enter your member number and then enter your access code. So in the first blank you can enter your member number. So after entering your member number, enter your access code. So your access code is just like your password. So if you remember your access code, you can just enter that access code. But if you have forgotten your access code, what you can do is just tap on forgot your access code, and after tapping on forgot your access code, you can create a new access code and then enter that new access code over here. So if you remember your access code, you can enter that. So after entering your access code, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Unibank account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.